As you can see right there, there's no signal coming through on the DAB. Like, pick up all the channels, same thing. So 1 extra, radio 4, radio 5 live, every single DAB channel, no signal. So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be discussing DAB signal problems. So lately I've been having a few issues with my DAB radio signal. As you can see right there, there's no signal coming through on the DAB. Like, pick up all the channels, same thing. So 1 extra, radio 4, radio 5 live, every single DAB channel, no signal. And I think I know what this issue is. Ever since I put in the rear view dash cam, I've been experiencing these problems, so that could be the issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the wire for the dash cam at the back and see what happens. Alright people, as you can see, this is the power lead for the dash cam. So I'm going to pull this out right now and see what happens. So you see that we get music. The radio literally started working straight as soon as I pulled the power lead out of the dash cam. Let's just check the other radio stations, see what happens. See that they're all there. So let's try a BBC Asian Network.
BBC Asian Network programs in Larbert in Scotland.
That's working fine. BBC Radio 2.
You ready to? You can catch up with
working fine.
On the Sounds app, of course.
So yeah, it's pretty clear that the dash cam power lead is the issue regarding the DAB. So what we're going to do, I've ordered. I already knew this was the issue, so obviously I'm just showing you guys now of how you can solve this problem. So what I've done, I've ordered some ferrite core clips. Ferrite core clips to clip over the dash cam power lead. So obviously that dash cam power lead is giving out a very high frequency, which is interfering with the DAB antenna signal. So one of these clips, what I'm going to do is thread the dash cam power lead cable through it and then clip it, and this should solve the problem. Alright guys, what I've done, I've put the ferrite cores clip on the dash cam power lead, so this should calm the frequency down, because this lead here has such high frequency that it was messing with the DAB antenna, which is behind here. Alright guys, as you can see, so I tucked it in behind the panel, made it look all nice and tidy and presentable. So when I was online checking out what could be the cause of this problem before I ever knew what I thought it might be, people online, I see a few people online, they were saying about how it could be something silly as charging something in your 12-volt socket, which I thought, really? What, charging your phone in a 12-volt socket can cause DAB interference? But then it kind of made sense, because in a way, if you check my previous video, the dash cam install, we actually installed this internally to the 12-volt socket. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, if you look at my previous video, we used this as a power source for the rear dash cam, so we installed it internally. So whenever the ignition is switched on, the dash cam will turn on, and whenever it's switched off, the dash cam will turn off. Unlike the front one, that is hardwired to the fuse box, so I've set that to stay on all the time. So whenever the car is switched off, the keys out of the car, it's still running. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Also follow me on Instagram at emojis_car_mods. Till next time, catch you in the next one. Music.
sexy bitch. You sexy bitch. Stop.